integral of 4 cosine x over cosine squared plus 3. Okay, so let's first factor out the 4. And we can rewrite cosine squared as 1 minus sine squared. So we have cosine over 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus sine squared. And now I can make a u substitution. I'm going to let u equal sine. du is cosine. So the 4 is outside. We have cosine x dx is du. On the bottom we have 4 minus u squared. And just to make things easier, I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by negative. So it's negative 4. And then I'm going to rewrite this as u squared minus 4. So basically you pull out a negative from the bottom. And when you multiply it by negative 1, I guess let's write it out. So we have negative u squared plus 4. If I multiply the top and the bottom by negative 1, we get to this. Okay, now at this point, I can break this up further into two fractions. So this will be 1/4 over u minus 2 minus 1/4 over u plus 2 du. And then I can factor out the 1/4, multiply by the negative 4, it would be negative, and then integral 1 over u minus 2 minus 1 over u plus 2. So I have a negative outside. Integral 1 over u minus 2 is ln absolute value u minus 2 minus natural log absolute value u plus 2 plus c. And so now we can rewrite what u was. U was sine of x plus 2. And so if we distribute out the negative and rearrange it, we have ln of absolute value sine x plus 2 minus ln absolute value sine x plus 2. Sine x minus 2. This should be a minus here. This should be a minus. And then plus c. And we can remove the absolute value because sine of x, the smallest it could be is negative 1. So sine of x plus 2 is never going to be negative. So technically you could do this as parentheses, but this one will be negative, so you want to make sure this is positive. And so this will be the final answer.